If you have passion for caring for people and you also want to travel free, then this opportunity is something you need to look into. Yes, today's opportunity is a free way to travel to Finland. And in this opportunity, I'm going to be sharing with you the good things about this program. You know, as I always do, I always go to the depth of the seas, the depth of the forest to bring out good opportunities that you'll be needing. All right. So, guys, I want you to calm down, watch this video because I'm going to be showing you the process you need to take. There are some questions that was asked in the website. I crafted answers sample. I didn't say you should copy me. A sample that you use to answer the questions, all right? So guys, what you want to do right now is to like this video. Like it. That's the only way you can support this my small channel. Like this video, please, and share to your friends. Because in this program, no application fee, no tuition fee. It's a scholarship program that can enable you move to Finland, learn. And there is job guarantee because the healthcare is in high demand in any country. All right. I have made previous videos on Finland and I've said it usually. Finland is one country that gave massive scholarship when it comes to career advancement and development. All right. So if you're looking at that angle and you're in the healthcare, now is the opportunity to advance your career. And you don't need prior experience from what was on the website. You don't need it. You only need to be able to understand English. This particular program is taught in English, and the application has opened on the 17th of March and will be closing next month, April. That is why I rush. I was even running, I almost hit my head on the floor to bring this opportunity to you people. If you're watching this video, there's a very high chance for you to get this application right if you follow my process in this video. You need a very good CV and you need a very good motivational letter. And guys, I'm going to show you how you do everything. No, I will not leave you now. I will not leave you guys, all right? So the only thing you owe me after watching each of my videos is to like and share because I did try for now. All right? Now they pay me now. Why you pay me? So the only way to the only way to help me is to like the video. So the city involved in this scholarship program is called Savonlinna in Finland, and they are running a practical nurse vocational training, all right, that helps you gather experiences like hands-on experiences. This one is not about teaching you in a classroom and you're enclosed in a glass, all right. No, but this is where you gather hands-on experience and you get practical knowledge and you also get to work with professionals, all right. So with this program, there is sure guarantee of you getting a job after this program, like I said earlier. Healthcare is one of the highest job in demand in any country. All right. And after that, you can get yourself a resident permit. You know that. You can also get yourself a job seeker visa just in case you've not gotten a job at first, but I know you will. All right. And after which, you're on your way to permanent residency when you get your work visa. All right. And guys, so let me show you on my screen. I'll be sharing my screen with you. I want you to just follow my step. Please don't make mistake. Don't rush this program. Just apply with the way I'm going to be sharing with you, alright? And if you have any question, leave them with me in the comment section and we'll trash it together, alright? So don't miss out on this opportunity. There's another way to travel free to Finland, okay? So when you come to the website, you're going to see this highlighted link. You click on it to bring you to this particular page, and as you can see, it's a vocational qualification in social and health care that gives you the opportunity to work as a practical nurse, especially in elderly care. So if you don't have passion for elderly care, this you may find this stuff very hard. All right, and then one thing you should take note of is that you should have at least secondary school education, and there's no age limit to this. Anybody below or above 18 years can apply for it. The only difference is that people below 18 have to they have to give a guardian details. Can you see it on your screen? The price is free of charge for students. Aptitude test is free. but you have to provide Duolingo. You have to take care of your flight ticket. All right. So that is that about this. And another thing you need to take note of is that you must be given, you'll be given residence permit by the Finnish embassy. After you're done with this application, you're going to apply for your visa from the Finnish embassy, and you need proof of fund, remember. So this application, I think around 6,000 euros, but you know how we do it now. I don't want to talk too much about that. And it has been open since 17th of March, and it's going to be closing April, the last day of April. Okay. And when you apply and you're finally granted, you're going to be resumed on the 2nd of September. I don't want to go in details of all these things. So I just need you to go in, have an insight. So these two questions here are a must for every applicant, but I'm going to be showing you how to answer them. And remember, you're going to be doing a 2 minutes video explaining those things. All right. Make sure that you follow my guide. Now, on that place where you say blue highlights, you click on it, it will bring you to this place, and you click on next. It will bring you to where you fill your name and your details and everything about you. On this place, make sure you do it carefully. Remember, I said earlier, you're going to have a Duolingo certification. If you don't have a Duolingo, you might not move forward with this application. All right. And you have to put your work experience. This is where you need to sell yourself in the best and possible light. This place, you see where they're asking you for the order of your competence, other things that makes you outstanding, other things that makes you the best candidate for their choice. So if I were you, if you have experience in healthcare, fill it up in this, and it's going to give you an edge. All right. And you press next and you submit your application. I think that is basically everything that you need to know. Okay, the next screen you'll be seeing is a screen where I explain how you should answer those questions. Please, this is just a sample. It's a sample. So as you can see, I was able to detail this answer. There is no interviewer that you give this kind of answer that won't think about giving you a yes in your application. All right, please do not copy. Hey Joe, don't copy. It's a sample. It's a sample, please. It's a sample. I keep saying it. If everybody have the same answer, they'll know that the answer was sourced from somewhere. So just have an insight, answer your own, something similar, and I wish you the best of luck. So please do not forget to like this video. You owe me that, or else you'll see me in your dream. Please like this video and share to as much friends as you can. And if you have any question, leave them with me in the comment section. You know how we do it now. We trash it out. All right. And if you're new here, please just let me know that you're new in the comment section. So we'll give you a warm welcome. All right. And I'll see you on my next video. I love you. With this sample I have given to you, just follow it as a guide. Please don't copy, because if you copy, if everybody copies, it will now be very glaring that it was sourced out from somewhere. All right. So in order not to get your application rejected or something, create your own using the sample I have given. All right. And if you have any question, leave them with me in the comment section. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ellauche. On this channel, we believe in being the best it can be. All right. I'm a relocation content creator. I'm also a project officer. And what I do on this channel is to bring you top information that can help you relocate easily, that helps you advance your career and makes you develop your intellect towards landing yourself your dream job. All right. So guys, you might want to subscribe if you're new, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always sharing, like, and being part of this family. I am so grateful that you guys are part of this family. All right. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave them with me in the comment section, and I'll be back to answer them as soon as I can. All right. On this note, we'll be ending this video right here. Remember to be the best you can always be. Like I usually say, I know you're used to it by now if you're my subscriber. All right. And I'll see you on the next video. I love you. Mwah.